Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Easy DIY Axle Shaft Seal Replacement, Step-by-Step Guide. Ever noticed a puddle of oil under your car? It might be time to check your axle shaft seal. Positioned crucially within your vehicle's drivetrain, these seals prevent fluid leaks that keep your gears running smoothly. If left unchecked, a failing axle shaft seal can lead to more severe mechanical issues, costing you significantly in repairs. Common signs include noticeable leaks and contamination around the axle area. Tackling this problem early can save both your vehicle's health and your wallet. In this video, we're diving into why replacing your axle shaft seal isn't just necessary, it's essential. Understanding axle shaft seals. Axle shaft seals play a crucial role in preventing fluid leakage from the differential, ensuring that your vehicle operates smoothly and efficiently. There are two primary types of axle shaft seals commonly used in vehicles: traditional rubber seals and newer synthetic seals. Types of axle shaft seals. Traditional rubber seals. Traditional rubber seals have been a long-standing choice in vehicle manufacturing. These seals are known for their durability and cost-effectiveness. However, they may wear out more quickly and are prone to leakage over time. Despite their drawbacks, traditional rubber seals are readily available and easy to replace. Synthetic seals. In recent years, synthetic axle shaft seals have gained popularity due to their superior resilience and leak-proof properties. These seals are designed to withstand high temperatures and varying road conditions, making them a reliable choice for modern vehicles. While synthetic seals may come at a higher cost initially, they often outlast traditional rubber seals, providing long-term savings and peace of mind. Signs of a failing axle shaft seal. When an axle shaft seal starts to fail, it can lead to serious consequences if left unaddressed. Here are some common signs that indicate a failing axle shaft seal. Fluid leaks. One of the most noticeable signs of a failing seal is the presence of fluid leaks beneath the vehicle. These leaks may appear as dark, slippery spots on the ground, signaling a potential seal issue. Strange noises. A damaged seal can lead to abnormal sounds such as whining or grinding noises coming from the axle area. These noises may indicate insufficient lubrication caused by a leaking seal. Vibrations. If you feel unusual vibrations, especially while driving at high speeds, it could be a sign of a failing axle shaft seal. Vibrations may indicate an imbalance in the axle components due to a lack of proper sealing. Driving with a damaged axle shaft seal can result in extensive damage to the differential and other drivetrain components. Continued operation with a leaking seal can lead to fluid loss, overheating, and ultimately, costly repairs. It's essential to address seal issues promptly to avoid further damage and ensure the safety and longevity of your vehicle. Axle shaft seal replacement process. Replacing an axle shaft seal may seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools, safety measures, and know-how, you can tackle it successfully. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to replace your axle shaft seal, ensuring a job well done without any leaks or complications. Preparation and safety measures. Before diving into the replacement process, it is crucial to prioritize safety. Always wear protective gear such as gloves and goggles to shield yourself from any potential hazards. Additionally, ensure that the vehicle is parked on a flat surface and engage the parking brake securely. These simple precautions can make a significant difference in your safety and the efficiency of the job. Removing the old axle shaft seal. To begin the replacement process, you'll first need to access the old axle shaft seal. This may involve removing the axle from the vehicle to reach the seal. Carefully extract the old seal, making sure not to damage the axle in the process. Take your time and exercise caution to prevent any unnecessary complications during this step. Installing the new axle shaft seal. Once the old seal is removed, it's time to install the new axle shaft seal. Ensure that the new seal is aligned correctly and positioned securely to guarantee a proper seal. Proper alignment is key to preventing leaks and maintaining the integrity of the axle. Take care to follow the manufacturer's guidelines for installation to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the new seal. By following these steps diligently and with attention to detail, you can successfully replace your axle shaft seal, keeping your vehicle in top condition and ensuring a smooth drive ahead. Remember, when in doubt, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance to ensure the job is done right the first time. Tips for axle shaft seal maintenance. Taking care of your vehicle's axle shaft seals is essential to ensure smooth operation and prevent costly repairs down the line. By following these maintenance tips, you can extend the lifespan of your axle shaft seals and keep your vehicle running in top condition. Regular inspection. Regularly inspecting your axle shaft seals is key to catching any signs of wear and tear early on. It is recommended to check your axle shaft seals during every routine maintenance check or at least every 6 months. During these visual inspections, look for any leaks, cracks, or damage to the seals that may indicate a problem. Fluid level checks. Maintaining the proper fluid levels in your vehicle is crucial for preserving the integrity of your axle shaft seals. Low fluid levels can cause increased friction and heat, leading to premature wear on the seals. Make sure to check the fluid levels in your vehicle according to the manufacturer's recommendations. If you notice any leaks or if the fluid levels are low, top up the fluids as needed to prevent damage to the axle shaft seals. By staying on top of regular inspections and fluid level checks, you can keep your axle shaft seals in optimal condition and avoid potential issues that could disrupt your driving experience. Remember, a little maintenance can go a long way in prolonging the life of your vehicle's components. Now that you've delved into the world of axle shaft seal replacement, it's clear that maintaining these components is pivotal for the smooth operation of your vehicle. By being proactive in addressing seal issues promptly, you can prevent more significant problems and costly repairs down the road. Regular maintenance is not just a suggestion but a crucial aspect of ensuring the longevity and efficiency of your vehicle. Remember, a small leak left unchecked can unravel into a larger, more intricate problem. By taking the time to address seal issues promptly, you are embarking on a quest to keep your vehicle operating at its best. So, next time you notice a leak or suspect a problem with your axle shaft seal, don't hesitate to take action. Being proactive today can be a game changer in avoiding more extensive and expensive repairs tomorrow. Stay ahead of the curve, leverage the knowledge you've gained, and keep your vehicle running smoothly for miles to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.